Have you ever wondered how to make a holy hour? People always tell you, make a holy hour, have an hour of adoration. But have you ever thought about what you're supposed to be doing during that hour? A lot of people don't make holy hours because they're really intimidated by them. They don't know what to do. Are they just supposed to sit there in the presence of the Blessed Sacrament? Now, any time in front of the Blessed Sacrament or in adoration is well worth it, regardless of what you do. But if you're wondering how you can have a step-by-step process of making a holy hour, let me recommend this really helpful guide. This is the How to Make a Holy Hour pamphlet from Holy Heroes, and it will walk you through minute by minute ways for you to utilize your time in front of the Blessed Sacrament. So this is a practice inspired by everyone's favorite, the soon-to-be blessed Fulton Sheen. It includes some insights from him and then the entire holy hour broken down of how you should spend your time. It also has ideas for different meditations you can use, different scripture. This is a really, really helpful how to make a holy hour pamphlet. We have parishes and schools buy this in bulk and hand it out. So if you're a parish or school, feel free to reach out to us and we can get you bulk discounts. But for really any Catholic, whether you just came into the church, whether you're a longtime Catholic, this is a really helpful aid to walk you through how to make a holy hour. Now, another really helpful aid from Fulton Sheen is this little wartime prayer book. I really don't see this talked about very much, but I just think it's the sweetest little book. Look at this. It's got a lot in it, but it's small enough that you put in your pocket or put in your purse. And this is not just for soldiers. Fulton Sheen said that this is for anyone engaged in this spiritual warfare that is being a faithful Catholic today. So it has really helpful prayers. This is a meditation before communion. It has prayers of encouragement. It has psalms that Fulton Sheen found particularly helpful. Here's a whole section on the Eucharist. This would be a great thing to bring to your holy hour to incorporate in the hour that's laid out in this pamphlet. I'll make sure both of these are linked below. But if you don't already make a holy hour, you've been curious about it, perhaps you do make a holy hour occasionally, but you want to have a more established practice, this How to Make a Holy Hour pamphlet and this little Fulton Sheen wartime prayer book are both fantastic resources to have on hand, and I hope you bring them along on your next holy hour.